Wake up, my beautiful artists. Welcome back to my channel, Art Awakening. So I thought today I'd have a little bit of a difference in scenery. Look how blue that sky is. I have Scout joining me today. This is my roommate Matt's dog. Isn't he cute? He's a cutie. So today I just wanted to show you this fun video that I made, kind of showing you the experience that I had at the pit in High Point this weekend, and kind of the media attention, I guess, that I got from it as well, and how any artist can really take a situation or a current event or something that they truly believe in, slap it on a wall, and actually wind up doing pretty well from it. So a little bit about the concept of the pit. What the pit is it is a community graffiti area. It's a legal area in the city of High Point, North Carolina, where graffiti artists can gather together to create works of art and practice and show off their skills. So here's a fun, quick video of our day at the pit. So my experience this weekend at the pit was super fun. The next morning, I received a call from someone at Fox 8 asking to do an interview with me and asking where the mural was located. They saw that I had posted it on Instagram the day before. It immediately started getting a lot of attention on Instagram, mainly because of its relevancy to the time, how it was of a healthcare worker, and how my goal was to make a tribute for the healthcare workers and people in the healthcare industry and first responders. The relevancy of it definitely helped, but I was able to get some news attention from it. Fox 8 was first, and then Spectrum called me the next day for an interview, and then the day after that, Channel 12. So the Channel 12 one was really cool though, because I was actually able to meet the girl that was behind the mask in the mural. And here, let me just show you that news clip right now. I don't know if they're gonna take it down, but hopefully not. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you this clip because it will kind of give you a little synopsis of how that went.
Meanwhile, a local artist is paying tribute to a nurse taking care of people during this pandemic with a mural in downtown High Point. Today, the nurse featured in that mural came to see her picture in person. Our Bill O'Neill joins us with the story.
Imagine someone painting a mural of you and you didn't know anything about it until someone sent you a screenshot of it. That's exactly what happened here.
This is gorgeous.
Jennifer Youngwood, an ER nurse from Western North Carolina, says she drove 3 hours today to see a mural of herself. How do you like the picture?
It's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you've done a phenomenal job.
Thank you.
I mean, the eyes, that is the most shocking part. It is just beautiful.
Local artist Jenna Rice painted the mural in an area known as the Pit in downtown High Point, right across the street from the depot.
I really just wanted to make a tribute to all of the nurses and doctors, anyone in the healthcare industry right now, that are helping to, they're in the front lines, they're taking care of everybody.
I feel very appreciated whenever I go out, and this just kind of solidifies it.
The artist says she Googled pictures of nurses and came up with one of Jennifer Youngwood. She says the mural took her 8 hours to complete.
Yeah, 8 hours in the hot sun. I'm still getting over my sunburn a little bit.
My dad brought me because we had to see it.
Was it worth the trip?
Absolutely.
Artist Jenna Rice says if she were to name this mural, she would name it The Light, some brightness in this time of darkness. Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.
So here are a few photos that Jennifer and I took during her visit. We had so much fun. It was so cool to meet her. I'm so glad we did this. So overall, my experience at the pit was just super exciting, and I was overwhelmed with so much love and appreciation for the piece that I did, and I'm still super thankful for that. I'm thankful for this whole experience and for Gina for inviting me out there, for the other graffiti artists that were out there as well. I guess this just goes to show that, you know, actually putting your artwork out there and having it out where people can see it, you are much more likely to get attention for it if you're looking to advance your art career. If you don't have a graffiti area in your neighborhood or in your community, maybe that's something that you should talk to your community leaders about. And maybe that's something that you and some other artists can band together to make actually happen. I feel like having more graffiti parks around the community would be, in any community, would be very, very good to have. It's very beneficial for any artist. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button for me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. If you have any questions or, you know, just some comments, I'll be sure to answer those as soon as I can. Until next time, remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace.